Hey everyone, I'm so glad you're here. The love you showed for my last video's foolproof cinnamon rolls recipe was incredible. So I'm back with a brand new recipe that's even more delicious. And it's made with one of my favorite ingredients, dulce de leche. Today we're making dulce de leche cinnamon rolls. They're a little richer than the classic rolls, but just as easy. You don't need to be a pro baker for this, it's totally beginner friendly. I'll walk you through it step by step, so don't miss any of my tips and tricks. Let's get baking. First, grab your mixing bowl. We'll start with our dry ingredients. I've got 3½ cups of all-purpose flour. To that, we're adding 2½ teaspoons of active dry yeast, a ½ cup of white sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. For a warm, spiced aroma, I'm adding a ½ teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a pinch of nutmeg. That's optional, but it takes these rolls to the next level. Give that a good mix and set it aside. Now for the wet mixture, in another bowl, we'll melt 6 tablespoons of butter. Just microwave it for about 20 seconds. Then, pour in a ½ cup of milk. Microwave it again if your milk isn't at room temperature. A little warm is perfect. Next, add a ½ cup of sour cream, 1 egg, and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix this all together until it's perfectly smooth and everything is completely incorporated. Now, let's combine the wet with the dry. Slowly pour the liquid mixture into your dry ingredients, mixing with a spatula until it starts to come together. Then, we'll move it to a stand mixer. Let it knead for about 8 minutes. If you're kneading by hand, it'll take about 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the dough is no longer sticky. See how it looks? It's smooth and soft. Now, we'll cover it and let it proof in a warm place for at least an hour. This rich caramel-like sauce is the hero of this recipe. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can make it yourself. Just take 1 can of condensed milk, remove the label, and place it in a pot. Fill the pot with water about a ½ inch above the can. Boil it on a slow flame for 3 hours. After 3 hours, let the can cool completely. And inside you'll find the most delicious homemade dulce de leche. Now let's make the filling. For that, I've taken 6 tablespoons of butter and a ¼ cup of our homemade dulce de leche. Mix them together until smooth. Then add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. That's it. Mix until everything is well combined and set it aside. This filling is creamy, caramelly, and melts right into the rolls. For our very important frosting, we'll start with 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, two tablespoons of that delicious dulce de leche, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Then add a full cup of powdered sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and 3 tablespoons of milk. Whisk it all together until it's incredibly smooth and fluffy. This frosting is next level, I promise. Now set it aside. Our dough has doubled in size. Now, lightly flour your work surface and turn the dough out. Gently shape it into a square, and then start rolling it out until it's about this thick. Now for the best part, spread the filling we just made evenly over the entire surface of the dough. Make sure to get it all the way to the edges. Now, roll it up slowly and tightly into a log or a cylindrical form. Keep it as tight as possible. If any part of the filling or dough protrudes from the sides, just gently push it back in with your hands. To get perfect, clean cuts, use a piece of thread or dental floss. Slide it under the log, cross it over, and pull to slice. This will give you the cleanest cuts. Cut the rolls into about 2-inch pieces. You should get 9 rolls in total. Now, shift them into a greased baking dish, leaving a little space between each one so they have room to proof again. Cover them with cling film and let them rest in a warm place for another 30 minutes. Look at that! They've doubled in size and are ready for the oven. They're already looking so good, it's hard to wait. Bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes or until they're golden brown. Look at them. They're absolutely irresistible. Now, drizzle that amazing frosting all over the top, making sure to cover every single one of these Dulce de Leche cinnamon rolls. Just look at that. Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious, and I can tell you it's as soft as it looks. Look at the inside. This is the ultimate comfort food. This recipe is perfect for any upcoming event or just a cozy fall day. I hope you'll share this with your family and friends. Keep liking and supporting my channel. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this recipe. Take care and happy baking.